company, Denmark Optoelectronics. We are a semiconductor manufacturer, and our main product is semiconductor, mainly applied in optical communication, such as fiber optic communication, 4G LTE, Internet of Things, and data center. And this is our supply chain. We position a very high upstream in this supply chain. Okay, so first of all, we discuss about the horizontal coordination for innovation. As you can see, according to a theory, R&D department and marketing department and production department should have a good coordination, a close relationship. And in my company, about 2 years ago, we established a R&D department. It includes new products and advanced technology. But we don't really have a close communication between these three departments. Currently, we only hold a weekly staff meeting for managers in each department to report their weekly performance. So actually, those managers might only acquire some important information from other department manager. So the problem, what I observed is that the relationship between these three departments are too far. We don't have close communication. So we also don't have a formal meeting between these three departments. We do not share our market news to R&D department, and they also don't share the advanced technology with our sales department. And the second problem is that R&D, they always compete for capacity with our regular orders. For example, they always insert their demand in our production line, so other regular orders will be postponed and delayed. And the third is that our R&D does not develop a knowledge management system to transfer the mature products to our production department. After some new products are developed, they still always produce those new products by themselves. They do not transfer the knowledge, the skill to our production department. And the fourth is that we are sales department. When we visit customers, we never invite R&D personnel, and R&D engineers. Sometimes they invite some scholars or professionals to discuss the technical issue, but we sales department never join that kind of meeting. So the remedy, what I can think of is that we should hold a periodical communication meeting between R&D department and marketing and production department. For example, maybe once a month or once a season at least. So that R&D personnel can acquire the up-to-date market market information, and so they can develop they know what the market wants, and they can develop a more appropriate product, new product. And for us sales department, if we can know more about the new technology they are developing, then we may have better knowledge and skill to promote the future new product to our customers. And as I mentioned, the R&D department always competes for capacity with regular order, because let me show you our production plan. For example, the yellow area is some kind of products are handled by our R&D department, but because R&D department, they are always in urgent to develop new products. So even though when some early order may already be delayed already, but they just say they have to develop the new product as soon as possible. So they just insert their demand in the production plan, and they cause other order delay. So, but another problem is that their R&D demand is not that much. So at present, because the machine is big, the capacity is huge. So it's impossible for us to just assign one machine for them. Otherwise, this machine might be always idle. So I think maybe the company can consider to invest in other smaller machine for R&D department for their exclusive use only, so they can develop new product quickly, and their need also wouldn't delay our regular order, and then so that we can deliver our goods to customers faster. And as I mentioned, they still handle those new products by themselves. So I think they should develop a systematic knowledge management system, and they should store their knowledge, their know-how as a company asset in the system, so that in the future our production department can adopt those skills and know-how. And the last remedy is that I think we, sales department and R&D engineer, should frequently visit customers together, and also they should invite us to join their technical meeting or session. Or maybe we can visit some exhibitions together to acquire cutting-edge technology. And in terms of the applications of technology our company adopted, it includes ERP, MES. MES is applied in our production department. SPC is applied in our quality control department. And RFID, actually we haven't adopted, but it will be adopted soon in just our check-in system. When you arrive at the company, we use RFID to check in. And the barcode, our product, each product has one barcode sticker, so that we can track the product afterwards. And we use the database of these systems to generate some information report. So, for example, I want to show some example. This is a sample account statement from generated from our ERP system. So this table will be sent to us by the system automatically, and we don't have to generate it. And it will automatically mark the overdue account. So we can, in the past we have to generate this table and urge our customers to make payment as soon as possible. But now we can just use this table and quickly send our customer a account statement to urge them to pay. And this is a chart. I think this chart is generated